Hey guys, it's Grace. Welcome back to my channel. I actually just got a vlogging kit, so I'm gonna be doing vlog virtual tours very soon, so you can actually see the building, the rooms, the amenities, and also the neighborhoods as it is. So I'm very excited to share with you, and I can't wait to show you what we have in Miami. Okay guys, I'm walking on the street in Brickell near my building, and this is my first vlog, so if I stumble across, or stutter or something, forgive me. Okay, I just want to show you this part of Brickell that I really liked. They actually just set up a coffee truck. So I know that pandemic is really hard for everybody right now, and I really like this spot because it has an outdoor seating. It's a very classic coffee truck. You can actually just order some coffee and pastries here. It's really cool. I know a couple of weeks ago it's still very cold, which is very unusual for Miami, considering at this time it's pretty much like summer, but just a few days ago it's actually getting back to the normal hot winter now, so you can actually feel the hot and humid temperature. Okay, so I'm walking towards Brickell City Center. So this is pretty much the central part of Brickell. There's a lot of construction going on right now because they're building, I believe, retail buildings. I just wanted to show you a yacht because a lot of people just come here, they rent out a yacht, and then they celebrate any kind of holiday or party, anniversary, or just about anything. So that's actually kind of cool. I'm glad today is a sunny day because it's been raining pretty hard during the weekend, so luckily I'm able to get the colors right in the video. At the front it's the Bayfront Park. And sometimes they have weekend event here, like a open market, a small concert, or just any kind of event here. It's a very popular spot. This part of downtown Miami is very cool with the people mover. So this is today's vlog about downtown Miami and Brickell. I hope you guys enjoyed it. In the future, I will do more vlogs and virtual tours of the streets, the buildings, the neighborhoods, just about anything. So comment down below and let me know what kind of things that you guys would like to see. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.